Welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Dubai property tour. If you're planning on buying or renting in Dubai, if you're a house hunting, this is the channel for you. I've been doing these tours since I moved to Dubai in 2023 and we are just keeping it going. So if this is you, you want to move to Dubai or you want to get an investment property in Dubai, this is the channel for you and I can help you do that. So today we are in a property that will get you the golden visa in Dubai. This is probably one of the most sought after visa in Dubai because, as you know, it's very hard to become a citizen in Dubai. And usually they had this investor visa, which you would have to renew every 2 years. But now they are giving more people access to the golden visa, which gives you unlimited access to the UAE for 10 years. And you can sponsor your entire family, including your parents, on this visa. So people are investing just to get that visa. So I'm going to show you exactly the kind of property that can get you that visa. So let's get started.
I can see what my eyes don't see. Who goes there when you're all for me? 247, they be calling, please. Ask them what's in and they want me. You can never make it sound right. Oh, in my art, can you make it alright? We be dancing in the twilight, lost in the dark, but I'm holding you tight. Shut your jelly on my baby. Wash and shame, you drive me crazy. Must be rise me the whole day, baby. Show me for me. You're the one who's got me lately.
Cute little living room area as well. I really think this is the sort of unit that, for me, preferably it would be one to rent out. It is a 2-bedroom, but I feel like it's a little bit of a small one. So for an investment, if you want that really good ROI, this would be good. As well as this particular area, JVC is known to be very investor friendly. It's also quite family friendly as well. So if you did have like a smaller family, I think this would be a really good investment, or you can double it up as both, right? So let's head into the bedrooms now. So come with me.
We be dancing in the twilight, lost in the dark, but I'm holding you.
All right, so this is the master bedroom. Coming on into the bathroom, it is a little bit small, but again, it's enough. You have a shower. I really like the way I don't know what it's even called, like the colors and everything. It's done really well. And then this is the master bedroom as well. You've got a fantastic view of downtown. Am I looking at downtown? No, I'm not. Where am I looking at? Burj Al Arab, as well as the Marina skyline. Oh, that looks so nice. The Jumeirah Golf Estates. Oh, I need to visit there. Quite typical as well to have a built-in wardrobe. My personal opinion, you guys, like I was saying out there, I think this is one that will be good for Airbnb because it is a little bit smaller, so which is great in terms of your yield if it's going to be a little bit cheaper than a massive 2-bed. This is the second bedroom. What I really want to show you here is good quality. There is this new star rating system in Dubai, so the quality of your apartments is going to be important in regards to how much you can actually charge for each of your units. So you want to make sure that you're investing in a developer that is known for quality, not like some of the other ones, which you may see a lot when you come to Dubai, but they are known for bad quality, you guys. All of the rooms have their own balcony, and the balconies are pretty sizable. So usually when it comes to balcony space, some investors may not want somewhere that has multiple balconies because your service charge can also be linked to the square footage of your balcony. But with this particular developer, only 25% of the space of the balconies that you have is reflected in the service charge. So that is also another great incentive and allows you to have multiple balconies without worrying about how much the service charge is going to be. But now let's head out to one of the best features of this apartment and why I think it's going to be great for short-term rentals or just rentals in general.
Lost in the dark, but I'm holding you
Opposite
tight.
the kitchen is this huge balcony that features its own mini pool area. So I'm just gonna walk up here and you literally have your own private pool on the balcony, you guys. You can have your own parties. Like, this is definitely going to be a massive selling point when it comes to renting this on Airbnb, because how many apartments do you know that come with their own private pool?
You're the one who's got me lately. Show 'em what you got.
You have this great view of JVC. This unit just has so much viewing space. If you're someone who loves a good view, you love to reflect, you love natural light as well, stuff like balconies and having somewhere like this is great. So if you are someone who is interested in buying your own property in Dubai, whether that is for you to live in or that is for you to rent out and get these really good capital appreciation and rental yields in Dubai, then you already know that you can contact me. I will leave a link in my description box for you to book a call with me, and I'd be happy to help you get a golden visa and make your dreams of moving to Dubai come true. I wanted to share an empty apartment so you can see more of what the floor plan and the space for these apartments look like. We actually lost some footage of the furnished apartment, so I'm not sure you guys were able to get the full picture of the apartment layout. This isn't the exact same one, but it's a very similar 2-bed. What do you guys think of this pool here versus the other style that we saw? I actually think I like this one a little bit better, even though it's actually a bit smaller. We are still in JVC, actually just down the road, as you can probably see from the view. And there is a lot of balcony space here as well. You can tell that the developer is focused on lifestyle features for these units, which will make it more attractive for premium tenants and short-term renters who are likely to be more focused on the experience rather than space. Hence why I keep pushing this would be really good for an investment property if you were going to do Airbnb, for example. Seeing the apartment like this is also more reflective of what you'd actually get once you complete your purchase, as these apartments don't come furnished, but you can purchase some furniture for additional costs sometimes. And I also wanted to give you guys another look at the kitchen as well, because that was one of the footage that we lost. And this kitchen is exactly the same in terms of size and the way it's fitted as the other one, but with a different color palette and texture. I definitely prefer the other one. Let me know what you guys think. This is Jude. He is a relationship manager at Bingati. Bingati is the developer of the amazing units that we've seen today. And I'm really impressed by the quality. The quality was much better than I expected. But if there are any like buyers or investors looking at investing in Bingati, purchasing one of your properties, or even just renting it out, what are some of the reasons why they might want to go with Bingati?
When it comes to real estate development in Dubai, Bingati is of course one of the top. So we have some 3 keywords which we use in Bingati, which is tough. T stands for trustworthy, which Bingati developer is. U stands for unique, which of course we are unique. I believe if you walk through the city of Dubai, you can see our different projects which we have handed over and which are still under construction, unique in the design. Of course, when it comes to the F word, which is fast, it means we are the fastest developers right now in the UAE. Of course, which we have handed over just last year, 2024, we handed over more than 15 projects. And also in the trustworthiness, we have another 3 words which we are proud of and we are happy to highlight to all our investors, which is 0, 3 zeros. 0 cancellations with Bingati, 0 delays with Bingati, and 0 complaints in DLD. So if you go to the Dubai Land Department website, you can check the construction status of each project, and you can check all the past records of all the developers. And of course, we are proud and we'll be celebrating a few days' time, 0 complaint from any of our investors.
Again, if you are trying to buy or invest in Dubai and Bingati is one of the developers that you're looking at, or any other developers, I'm going to get you the best choice for you as an investor. Then you can definitely book a call in the link in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.